guys, welcome back to another video. So today's gonna be something a little bit different. As you guys know, we have the two cars here and that's probably the main projects on the channel. But me and Christine, we decided to get into a new hobby, which I'll show you guys in a second. Okay guys, so here is the 2001 Yamaha TTR 225 that we picked up for a pretty good deal off Facebook Marketplace. Like I said, we're trying to get into a new hobby, so this is what we're gonna get into. We're gonna get into trail riding, dirt bikes, stuff like that. Let me know if this is something that you guys want to see more of on the channel. Anyway, the bike runs perfectly fine. In overall condition, it's decent. I don't believe that this is the original number plate or fenders, but the rest should be original. We did clean it up a little bit, but yeah, tell me what you guys think. We're gonna go ahead and add a bar pad and hand grips today just to make our riding a little bit more safer because it didn't come with it. Does it fit?
Yeah, it fits. Of course it does.
Sure.
It fits, Daddy. This side, it's like kind of...
It's tight over here.
It's not tight. It's not like how the other one is. So my daddy is putting on that.
There we go. What do you think?
Now,
looks good?
yeah. And now my daddy is done.
I'm gonna strap this on.
Oh.
We got the bar pad on and I think it looks really good. By the way, we're filming on a new GoPro 8. This is what we're gonna be using to do these like moto vlog type styles once we start riding. Let me know if you guys like this quality. But yeah guys, now we're gonna go ahead and throw on some of these hand guards. Okay guys, so we're over here at my grandpa's ranch in Oregon, about 3 miles deep into the woods. This is his off-the-grid cabin that he built more than 50 years ago. It runs totally off a generator with a pump house pumping water from a well deep underground. We're gonna ride this Yamaha TTR 225 right here that we picked up, as you guys seen previously. This is pretty much gonna be my first time riding any type of dirt bike. I've ridden an ATV four-wheeler before back home in Hawaii a couple of times, so it shouldn't be too different. We're just gonna go on a small quick ride to test out the GoPro that you guys are seeing this on right now. I'll let the bike warm up for a bit, so let's go take it for a ride. So my grandfather, he owns about 83 acres of just this forest here out in Oregon. And it's beautiful out here. Like I said, it's 3 miles in with nobody. I mean, he has a neighbor over there about a mile away. But other than that, it's just us on this dirt road. Look at how beautiful it is out here, guys. As you guys can see, it is just a dirt road. The audio is good on this. I do not have an external mic, so I'm just going off the GoPro footage. I'm not too sure if the bike is going to be too loud, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But this is a new hobby that I'm trying to get into, which is bikes, dirt bikes. Like I said, this is my first time riding, so I'm going to take it easy. Obviously I'll progress as I do it more often. All right, let's turn around. And let's open her up. Ready? Let's go. almost ran over the chipmunk. Man, this thing is fun. I can't wait to ride more. If you guys are excited, let me know if this is something you guys want to see more of. I'm thinking of putting more bike content on my channel, if you want to call it that, just to spruce it up a little bit. I don't know if you guys are getting tired of seeing the same old things, but I just want to show you guys something a little different this time. There's a nice clearing over there. Yeah, and show you guys some other interests that I'm interested in on this channel. So let me know if that's something you guys are interested in seeing. Obviously, I'll be upgrading the audio because I'm not too sure how it's sounding right now. But I will be putting an external mic so you can hear me in my helmet. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited to be riding. We're gonna go ahead and pick Christine up another bike. This bike is a little too big for her. I initially bought this bike for her because it has electric start on it, so she wouldn't have to keep kicking it. This will not turn into a bike channel, but I will be posting more bike content if you guys are interested in it. Just to show you guys my learning curve on learning how to be on a bike. Like I said, this is my first time riding, and so far I'm in love with it. We will be continuing to work on the 240 as well as the 350Z. We have a bunch of drift events that we want to go to this year, but as you guys know, unfortunately, COVID-19 messed up a lot of people's plans for the year. So we'll be getting more into the car content, drifting content, as soon as everything opens back up. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys next time.